It's almost like I got a mask on. Well, guys, I've been through a lot of crap lately, and so we're gonna go watch the sunset over downtown. Um, so it's gonna be a good time. Well, I was trying to edit this video, and it kicked off a really beautiful peak of like the sun through the trees. So whatever, but we're on our way. I kind of feel like I'm in like the Lord of the Rings right now. It's kind of great. Nature's amazing. Ah, we're coming to the gazebo. Dangerous trails ahead. Oh no. Whatever will we do? Just to give you guys a little insight of how beautiful it is here, check this out. Oh no, dangerous cliffs. I've only been here 1,000 times in my life. Like, I'm scared about dangerous cliffs. I literally summited the Tetons. Like, get out of here. Come on. That is so freaking pretty. This trail is... I smell a blunt. This trail's beautiful, though. We're not even quite there yet, guys. Just look at that. So beautiful. Makes me... Oh, it's rolling through the woods, so freaking pretty. Everything is awesome. But I bow. Oh man, this is exactly what I needed. Just so nice, refreshing. My soul is full right now, and it feels great. I mean, how could you not be happy with that? It's amazing. Oh. You could call me J.R.R. Tolkien. Shit kind of gets a little sketch, not gonna lie. You gotta go down all that crap. Got nothing but hills on the side that you could fall down. It's kind of wild out here. Imagine falling down there. Oof. Look like much in the video, but I promise you it's like at least 200 feet. What's there, guys? So excited. Oh, sketchy. So many rocks. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. Look at this, guys. Absolutely. Guys, final result.